Looking to restore your WhatsApp backups from Google Drive on your Android phone? It's super easy, and I'll make sure your chats are safe and accessible, even if you delete the app or lose your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Part 1. How to make the backup. First, make sure to set up the Google Drive on your Android phone. Use your email ID to set it up. After that's done, open WhatsApp, tap the three-line icon in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Find the setting called Chats and tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Chat Backup. Now tap on Google account and make sure that account set on your Google Drive is also set here. After that, you can select extra options like include videos if you want to keep videos sent or received inside WhatsApp. But this will make the backups really large and will consume a lot of storage. So I recommend not selecting that. And you can also toggle on backup using cellular if you rely on mobile data. After that's done, tap on the green backup button. This will back up your messages on Google Drive. Wait for it to finish. Part 2. How to back it up. Uninstall the WhatsApp app on your device. After it's uninstalled, go to the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Install the app. After installing the app, open it and follow the setup prompts and log in with your credentials. Then allow all the necessary permissions if asked. Now WhatsApp will look for backups. It might ask for some permissions, so give the permission. Now WhatsApp will show you a backup with your Google account. Tap on Restore and the backup process will start. It might take a while to finish. After it's done, tap Next and finish the rest of your login prompts. Now you will see all your old chats are just right there, even after reinstalling. And that's how you restore WhatsApp backups from Google Drive on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.